Lisander! Wide on!
They are a great team. Of course, they make 6 points and we need to call a timeout. But hey, we need focus and be calm. Play brave. If we have a miss 3 shots, no problem.
Every time we play the big, extend, and the 2 guys on the opposite side, one in the corner, the other will come. We have 2 shots. Tira.
Collapse! Force them to pass the ball outside and then good cross out. Don't let them try. Come on!
When they play the first pick and roll, they cannot come back.
It's one pass, one-on-one, easy basket. No, esa no es la idea. They have to play high and five. And they have to play long plays. No basket in the first seconds.
4 minutes. Our problem is our offense, and then in our defense, with 50 paddle going all the way, we have to have a deep block and squeeze inside like the last one, but without foul.
Every point matters.